Job of the day, we are doing a service on a boat trailer, checking brakes, doing bearings, and just overall safety check of the trailer. Let's get to it. Seal is blown on the back of the front axle. See what the brake looks like. Brake looks okay. It's like a newer cylinder on it. Seal is okay. Oh no, seal got, or that grease got past the seal. Okay, let's get these changed out. This is a 2K idler hub for the front axle, and a 3,500 pound spindle for the rear. Don't have the seals for this thing now. I'll run and grab seals and bearings for that. I'm gonna do the hub and drums on the back, and then I gotta run and grab parts for that stuff. Washer is on, spindle nut is on, castle retainer is going on, and then keyway it to the right slot, cotter key down and through, bend back, hammer home. Rear driver side hub is packed, washer is on, spindle nut is on, castle nut retainer, and cotter key is on. Installed. Brakes look like they have not been working since everything's rusty. I'll check the master cylinder. It's probably all rusted out and doesn't work anymore. The washer is on, spindle nut is going on, cotter key in, bent over. Our new cap is packed with new grease. Good, it's on there, spring compressed a little bit. Means we got good pressure. Rear driver side, or rear passenger side is done. And make sure threads are clean. And we're back. Fat Boy Trailer had some kits for me. I went and grabbed those. Checking the seals. Oh, no way. All right, we're going back to Fat Boy. He had another set of seals, and I was like, no, those can't be it. And I'm pretty sure they are it. Third time's a charm. Let's see if this seal's the correct one. Oh, it is. Beauty. Things you learn while you're working. So now I had to make sure I keep a couple of these on my truck. I've ran into this before, but it's been so long that I didn't remember. And there's the seal that's blown out. I got the correct seal, correct bearings, cleaned off the spindle, cleaning off the washer now. Some days just go like this. Some days you just gotta learn. Tight, free spinning. Washer's on, spindle nut is on. Bend, drive home. And cap is packed. Cap is on. Let's do the other side. Cotter key through. Bent, hammer home, on and secure. Got my tester plugged in, brake lights or brake wiring is not working because there's no brakes on this trailer that are electric, no charge line, and no reverse perfect. Good, marker lights are on. Good, good. Right turn is on and working, left turn is on and working. Marker lights are on, and marker light is on. Perfect, lights work. Says 85 to 95 on these lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. New bearings, new seals, new grease. I checked his brakes. Brakes are not working. I'm gonna quote out for doing disc brakes and swap it out. But for right now, all the bearings work. All his seals are good. Tires are good. This one's done. I'm on to the next.